about how I got 10 bonuses from Vocal Media, and I'm also going to talk about how you are able to get these 10 bonuses as well. Now, I've recently discussed my passive income journey on Vocal Media through a couple of videos that I did on the channel. You can go ahead and check out the Vocal Media playlist in the description box below this video to access the full videos, and I've specifically stated the original source for each of the videos, letting you know that it is repurposed from my original articles posted on medium.com, which you can access my profile in the description box below as well. 98% of my earnings came from bonuses from Vocal Media that I received by either hitting a milestone for number of articles published or performing tasks on Vocal Media in order to support other authors and the Vocal team. And these tasks included, as an example, liking other creators' work and filling in surveys designed to improve the Vocal Media platform. Now I'm going to talk about the 10 bonuses that I earned on Vocal Media in today's video. The first bonus I earned was getting my story selected as a top story, and I earned $5 for that, and it was given to me on the 12th of April 2021. Now this specific article was selected as the top story, and then I received $5 from it. No, just once you click here, it's just a simple article that I repurposed from one of my work that I did back in university about semiotic analysis of Emma Stone's Revlon advertisement. So I just simply got out my old work and I repurposed the article, and it was selected as a top story. Another thing, the second bonus that I got from Vocal Media is, surprisingly, liking 15 stories by fellow creators. So make sure that you genuinely read and like a minimum of 15 stories. Don't chase it up, and it will follow you on your account within 5 days. And this was what happened to me. Now, a great way to connect with other writers is to network with them, is to read their content, and this way you're also going to get rewarded by Vocal Media. And this is what happened to me as well, and they're likely to return back the favor, the writers who you follow and comment and like their stories, and they'll also read your content, providing a win-win situation and resulting in both authors receiving the $5 bonus. The third bonus I received was publishing my 10th story on Vocal Media. Now, after I published my 10th story, which is this one, how I utilize my pain, within 1 week, I got a notification that I received the $10. And this is the article right here. It's a simple article that has some techniques and personal experience that I went through as well. So also the link to that article will be in the description box below. So it's very personalized as well. The fourth bonus was for publishing my 5th story on Vocal. Now this bonus was the first bonus that I received that sparked the curiosity, the motivation, the interest to take publishing on Vocal Media seriously and go on to earn 9 other bonuses as well. Now this is the link to the story, The Struggle of Aboriginal Women in Australia, and it's a simple, short 600-word article about the history of Aboriginal women in Australia and how they were treated by the British occupation. And the 5th bonus I received was surprisingly participating in their Vocal survey. And this was a one-time opportunity that I received in the email. So stay tuned. If you are subscribed to the Vocal Media email newsletter, you will get a notification of any surveys that they're doing to improve their platform. And the reward was $10 in exchange for filling a 10-minute survey. So the tip right here, as I said, keep your eyes open for future survey opportunities and opt in early in order to secure your bonus. The opportunities are difficult, rare to come by frequently, so I wouldn't say they happen quite frequently, so you need to take advantage of them, and this is what I received in the email: $10 for 10 minutes of your time. Now it says if you choose to participate, you will be rewarded with a $10 bonus on your wallet to say thank you for your time. I quickly went in, I clicked on take the survey, and it took me to the survey, and then within a day or two it the $10 bonus was in the wallet. And the sixth bonus was a commission from Vocal Ambassador Program. So this is basically an affiliate commission that I received for promoting their ambassador program that they were running at the time. It was a nice surprise, and I did use some free promotional methods on both Facebook and Pinterest. Specifically when it comes to Pinterest pins, they are quite powerful for not only Vocal Media, but also for Medium and for Amazon KDP and Redbubble as well. So what happened from the 2 or 3 pins that I posted, I got one affiliate sale and the reward was $20. Unfortunately, this is a one-time $20. It's not reoccurrent, so keep that in mind, but it's a nice little surprise for a few minutes of work. The 7th bonus is Welcome to Vocal Plus. So once you join Vocal monthly subscription program, which I joined as a free trial, so I did not pay anything to join, they promised to add $10 to your Vocal wallet as an incentive for joining their free trial, and then that $10 it gets added to your original earnings, and then you can request a payout after you've earned the $30. So the 8th and 9th bonus that I got was the top story selected by the Vocal team. So apart from the articles that were selected that I talked about as top stories, because of their quality and because of their engagement, you can be eligible to receive a top story bonus for articles discussing the Vocal platform, which means that if you write an article about the Vocal platform, then, and it is selected because it has good quality material, then you get selected as a top story and you earn $5 as well. So it's basically their initiative to help to promote their platform and also reward readers that help to create content about Vocal and getting the Vocal name out there. And I guess it was more of a initial promotion for their platform. So I've received 2 top story bonuses for articles that discussed how to use Vocal as a publishing platform, and this one was interested in Vocal just did something amazing today, and the second one's Vocal income reveal, which I talked about what I learned from writing on Vocal. And the 10th and final Vocal media bonus is publishing 50 stories on Vocal, and this is the most interesting bonus that there is, and it is one of the best and most delayed bonus that I received on the platform. So earlier this year I had already hit 56 stories published. All good. I didn't know that the 50 stories bonus existed. So one day when I was scrolling through the Vocal Facebook pages, I saw a post by a fellow writer announcing that they've received a $50 bonus for publishing 50 stories within 1 week. Tens of writers were commenting that they received the same bonus. Others were sharing their excitement, and others were saying that they have not received the bonus. So what I did is I already hit 50 articles over 4 months ago. I didn't receive any bonus. I didn't receive any message about that. The bonuses are not publicly declared. So I commented congratulating the author who hit the milestone, and I asked what should I do to receive that bonus. And then they commented on my reply saying that the bonus will come and that I will need to chase it up by email the Vocal team. So what I did was I emailed the Vocal team, and I heard back from them about 2 to 3 days after emailing them, and the bonus was quickly issued into my account. So if you publish 50 or more stories on Vocal, if you still have not received your bonus, you can email them and inquire and catch it up. These are the screenshots taken from the Vocal wallet dashboard that shows specific bonuses, the dates, the how much I earned as well, and the payments. So here you've got the 12th of April for the top story, title of the top story, $5. Same here, you've liked 15 stories by valid creators, $5. You publish your 10th story on Vocal, $10. Then again as the 5th story, $5 then, and then survey, $10, commission, $20, welcome to Vocal plus, 10. Also writing on Vocal in 2 separate articles, $5 each, and this is the mega bonus that I received, which is you've published your 50th story on Vocal, and this does not happen until I caught it up. So all thanks to the Vocal platform and the Vocal team as well. So good luck on your Vocal media journey. If you are looking for more tips, strategies, and income reveals from different side hustles that I've tried myself, go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel where I upload daily videos sharing my passive income journey. And you can go ahead and check out the video that I did about a year ago showing my vocal media income reveal and also what I've learned from the vocal media platform. And if you've enjoyed videos such as this, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I'd love to have you on board. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.